Do you know what happens when a serious watchmaker partners with an institute of colors? No one knows the power of colors better than Pantone Color Institute. They are experts in predicting color trends worldwide and also help brands to pick the best color for their products and identity. So when Citizen was thinking about adding some colors to their NJ0158 collection, they knew exactly who to team up with: Pantone. This collection is a revival of the iconic NH299 by Citizen. It was popular during the late 1990s and 2000s. With the use of steel, this collection was more robust and sophisticated than any other. The Nostalgia, a new spirit palette, ranges from the bold reds and blues to the softer pastels. Each shade thoughtfully chosen by Pantone's color experts, exclusively for Citizen. Each watch tells us a story and is limited to just 1999 pieces per variant, and ode to when the collection was made, and is powered by caliber 8210 with a 40-hour reserve. The watch has a magnifying lens on the date, luminous hands and indices, and a strategically positioned crown ensuring a seamless profile. These watches also come in a sustainable watch packaging design featuring Pantone color accents and made from FSC certified paper. Now go get some color on your wrist today.